Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we break down the syllabus for the CFA Level 3 exam so you know exactly what to study and why each topic matters. Overview of the exam weightings and focus areas. Portfolio management and wealth planning 35%, fixed income 18%, ethical and professional standards 12%, equity investments 12%, derivatives 8%, economics 8%, and alternative investments 7%. The exam emphasizes integration and applied scenario-based questions, and the combined estimated learning time across domains totals about 300 hours. Portfolio management and wealth planning is the largest and most demanding domain at 35%, labeled hard with an estimated 105 hours and assessed through conceptual and scenario-based questions. You will learn to formulate investment policy statements for individuals and institutions, balance strategic and tactical asset allocation, and apply mean variance optimization in practice. The syllabus covers private wealth issues like taxes, estate planning, concentrated positions, and human capital, plus institutional topics such as pension, endowment, insurance, and sovereign wealth fund management, along with trading, rebalancing, and performance evaluation frameworks. Fixed income accounts for 18%, marked hard with about 54 hours of study and a mix of conceptual and scenario-based assessment. Expect deep coverage of liability-driven strategies, cash flow matching, immunization and contingent immunization techniques, and the use of derivatives to adjust fixed income exposures. You will also study yield curve positioning with bullet, barbell, and ladder structures, global credit strategies, spread risk, and how volatility affects curve strategies. Ethical and professional standards makes up 12%, is medium difficulty with about 36 hours, and is assessed through scenario-based items. This domain focuses on applying the code of ethics and standards of professional conduct in complex real-world cases, emphasizing duties to clients and employers, conflict management, and professional integrity. It also covers the global investment performance standards, including composite construction, performance calculation and presentation, required disclosures, and verification issues for alternative investments. Equity investments is 12%, medium difficulty with 36 hours of study, and uses conceptual and scenario-based assessment. You will learn active equity management techniques, comparing fundamental and quantitative strategies, and balancing bottom-up and top-down approaches within portfolio construction constraints. The syllabus highlights factor-based investing and smart beta, practical issues in risk and constraint management, and tools for evaluating active share and tracking error. Derivatives represents 8%, is hard with about 24 hours of study, and is tested with conceptual and scenario-based questions. Study the practical use of options in covered calls, protective puts and spreads, and learn how futures and forwards hedge market risk while swaps manage interest rate and currency exposure. The curriculum also addresses volatility trading, VIX instruments, and dynamic hedging methods such as delta-neutral strategies to control systematic risk. Economics is 8%, medium difficulty with an estimated 24 hours, assessed through scenario-based items focused on capital market expectations. You will build frameworks for forecasting returns using survey, statistical and economic tools, assess the impact of economic growth on asset classes, and incorporate international market considerations. The material emphasizes practical challenges in forecasting, including regime changes and the limits of prediction for allocation decisions. Alternative investments comprise 7%, medium difficulty with about 21 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. This domain teaches evaluation of hedge fund strategies and private equity valuation, along with the role of commodities and real estate in diversification. You will learn due diligence processes, performance monitoring for alternative funds, and liquidity management techniques specific to these asset classes. To conclude, plan roughly 300 hours across domains with a heavy focus on portfolio management and wealth planning, supported by targeted study of fixed income and professional standards. Practice scenario-based problems and build integrated IPS and attribution exercises to tie the syllabus together and approach the CFA Level 3 exam with confidence.